Hey guys, so in this quick video I'm going to talk about the TRAEGER Pro 22, the things that you need to know about it, about this grill, like reasons why you shouldn't buy it if you want to buy it. But first I want to say it's a great product. You get like 6 in versatility, real wood fried flavor, solid cooking space, including meat probe, also hopper capacity, 3-year warranty. So it's a good thing, but um, so what is important is that there is no Wi-Fi or smart features. This is an older Gen 1 model with straightforward controls, but no interface with smart apps or phone tablet. Okay, this is the first thing. Also, the temperature fluctuations at low settings. So, like getting under 230. So like setting to 180 and still reach 230. This is like the first thing. So the low temperature issue is something that you have to be also kind of like aware of. It's not really great for searing. This is primarily a smoker, not a grill. Don't be disappointed if burgers looks like they've been boiled instead of grilled. Another important thing to be aware of. And also the temperature swings are normal, so be aware of it. And it requires electricity. That's another thing. And can be loud. That's another thing. So to be aware of it. But primarily it's like a good product. But here are the kind of like the things to be aware of. And when you look, for example, the reviews, they are good. So they got like a lot of features. You don't even have also like cover included, so be aware of it. And yeah, it's a great product. You're not going to make a mistake. Just be aware of it. And also with a great support. So thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.